Life can get so heavy that even your smile disappears, and sometimes you don't even notice it happening. You walk through the world carrying responsibilities, stress, and silent battles that no one sees. But your smile, your real smile, is not just decoration. It's strength, it's courage. It's a reminder that even in pain, there is still light inside you. Today, let this message help you find that light again. Have you ever had one of those days? You've picked out the perfect outfit, your hair is just right, and you're ready to face the world. You look in the mirror and everything seems to be in place, but something is missing. You're fully dressed, but you're not wearing your smile. So many of us walk through life like this, put together on the outside, but feeling empty within. The weight of responsibilities, the constant hum of stress, and the silent battles we fight every single day can quietly steal our joy, leaving us feeling like a stranger to our own happiness. If you feel like your smile has faded, I want you to know you're not alone. This video is for you. It's a promise of hope, a moment of clarity, and a reminder of the strength you hold inside. We're going to talk about how to find that smile again, not just for the world to see, but for you to feel. So why does your smile matter so much? It's far more than just a facial expression. A genuine smile is a reflection of your inner state. It's a sign of peace, a beacon of confidence, and a testament to your resilience. When you smile, you're not just showing happiness, you're creating it. There's a powerful psychological connection here. The simple act of smiling, even when you don't feel like it, can send signals to your brain that help lift your mood. It's like a little secret weapon you carry with you. Think of it as an anchor in a storm. In tough times, choosing to smile isn't about ignoring the pain. It's about reminding yourself that you are stronger than your circumstances. It's a quiet declaration that says, I am still here and I will find my way through this. Your smile is your power. It's the light that can guide you out of the darkness and back to yourself. It is so important to remember that everyone you meet is fighting a battle you know nothing about. That person who seems to have it all together, the one who always looks strong and confident, they have their own hidden struggles too. We all do. We carry our burdens in silence, worried that showing our vulnerability would be a sign of weakness. But let me tell you something crucial. Losing your smile doesn't mean you're weak. It means you're human. It means you've been strong for too long, carrying too much. So be kind to yourself. Give yourself the same compassion you would offer a friend, and extend that kindness to others, because you never know who might be on the verge of losing their own smile. A little bit of understanding can make a world of difference. We're all in this together, navigating the beautiful, messy journey of life. So what are these challenges that have the power to steal our smiles? They come in many forms. The relentless pressure to succeed, the sting of disappointment when things don't go as planned, the ache of a broken heart, or the heavy weight of loneliness. It can be the constant stress from work, the feeling of failure, or just the overwhelming sense that you're not where you're supposed to be in life. These experiences, one by one, can slowly chip away at our spirit. They can leave us feeling numb, disconnected from the joy we once felt so easily. But here's the most important thing to remember. These challenges shape you, but they do not define you. Your story isn't about the falls. It's about how you learn to get back up. These moments are chapters in your life, not the entire book. They are building a strength in you that you might not even see yet. One of the greatest powers you possess is the power of choice. You can't control every situation. You can't control what other people do, and you certainly can't control every storm that comes your way. But you can always control your reaction. You can choose your mindset. This is where positivity comes in, not as a denial of reality, but as a deliberate realignment of your focus. When life feels heavy, try practicing gratitude. What are 3 small things you're thankful for right now? Maybe it's the cup of coffee in your hand, the sound of rain outside, or a kind word from a stranger. These small acts of acknowledging the good can shift your entire perspective. It's about choosing to find the light, even when you're surrounded by shadows. It's not about being happy all the time. It's about knowing that even on the hardest days, there is still good in the world and in your life. A real, genuine smile isn't born from a life of comfort and ease. It's forged in the fires of adversity. It comes from courage. The strength behind a real smile is the strength of someone who has known struggle and has chosen to rise anyway. Smiling through your difficulties is not about pretending everything is okay. It's an act of defiance. It's you looking your challenges in the eye and refusing to let them win. It's a statement that you are rebuilding yourself one day at a time, one breath at a time. Strong people aren't the ones who never fall. They are the ones who get back up, dust themselves off, and keep moving forward. Your smile, when it returns, will be a symbol of every battle you've overcome. It will be a testament to your incredible strength. I want to share some words that have helped me. Think about this one. Your smile is proof that storms don't last forever. This means that your ability to find joy again, even after a hard time, is the ultimate sign of hope. It's a promise that brighter days are ahead. Or how about this? One day you'll look back and realize the battles made you brighter. Every challenge you face is carving out a deeper capacity for strength and empathy within you. The struggles don't break you. They polish you. And a simple one to hold on to. Even a small smile can rebuild the broken day. On days when everything feels wrong, a single moment of light, a small, genuine smile can be the first step toward healing. It's a reminder that you have the power to change your own day. So how do we practically bring back that smile? It starts with self-compassion. Speak to yourself with the same kindness you'd offer a loved one. You are doing your best, and that is enough. Next, look at the people you spend your time with. Surround yourself with those who lift you up, who see your light, and who remind you of your worth. It's also crucial to take breaks. When you feel overwhelmed, step away, take a few deep breaths, reset your mind. You don't have to solve everything at once. And find small things every single day that bring you a flicker of joy, listening to your favorite song, walking in nature, enjoying a hobby. These little moments are the building blocks of happiness. They slowly refill your cup until it overflows. Rebuilding your emotional strength is a process. It doesn't happen overnight. Resilience is a muscle, and it's built slowly with patience and persistence. Every time you face a struggle and choose to learn from it instead of letting it defeat you, you are building that muscle. Ask yourself, what is this situation teaching me? Turning your struggles into lessons is how you turn pain into power. Be patient with your healing journey. Some days will be better than others, and that's okay. There is no timeline for feeling whole again. Just focus on taking one small step forward each day. You are growing, you are healing, and you are becoming stronger than you ever thought possible. I want to speak directly to you now, right where you are. Your smile is still inside you, I promise. You haven't lost it. You've only forgotten where to find it. It's buried under the weight of your worries, your fears, and your pain, but it is still there, waiting for you. I need you to start believing in yourself again. Believe in your ability to overcome. Believe in your worth. You matter. Your life has a unique and beautiful purpose, even if you can't see it clearly right now. You are more than your struggles. You are a story of resilience, and the best chapters are still waiting to be written. Let's bring this all together. Your smile is not just an expression. It's a symbol of your strength, not a reflection of your circumstances. It shows the world that you have faced darkness and chosen to find the light. It is your personal victory flag. So I encourage you to keep going. Keep growing through what you go through. And when you can, keep smiling. Not because life is perfect, but because you are strong enough to find the beauty in its imperfection. Thank you for spending this time with me. Don't forget to take care of yourself. Keep fighting and never ever forget the incredible power that lies within you.